petting the chicken, Emma? Which chicken is that? I think that's Gnocchi. Oh, there comes Lulu. She heard you. Oh. Which chicken is your favorite?
That one.
Gnocchi?
And that one.
Yeah, I know. They're all so nice, aren't they?
And I like that one too.
Yeah. We're going to put them back in their coop. Would you like to help me?
Sure.
Do you remember?
What?
Do you remember what you have to get?
The broom!
The broom! All right, you ready?
I will chase him back in.
All right, you chase them back in.
Okay.
Whoa! Good job! There they go!
Do it! Do it! Do it!
Whoa! Chickens! Nice job! That was so good. Emma,
That was awesome.
come give me a high five.
Wow. That's a
Nighty
legendary
night,
shot.
chicken.